Hello everyone and welcome to Major Dom's 15th Deepin workshop. Today we want to talk about how we can use an LLM to generate some insights about the Moonchain and how we can use these insights directly in an automated reporter which posts these information on Twitter or Telegram. In the project today we will specifically use Twitter. And here you can see some diagram of the pipeline approach which we take today. For this, we will use Python. The first step will be to get the data from the Moonchain blockchain. For this, we will use an API from which we can call different statistic states. The next step would be to send these data to an retrieval augmented generation server. In this case, this will be Rackflow. Rackflow is a service which vectorizes the data you provide for them and also allows to create an own chat model which uses these vectorized data. This we will use to vectorize our Moonchain data and get some insights from it. Rackflow directly sends these information further to the chosen LLM, and we then get our report as an answer. And in the next step, the third one, we then would be able to post these report on Twitter or on Telegram. Just decide what you want to do. In my case, like I said, I use Twitter. For this, we also would have to cut the report in some specific parts, which are not longer than 280 signs, because the current tweet length allows only 280 signs without the payment subscription model. And yeah, you can find more information and a tutorial for this project in the Moonchain docs. Besides this, you can also find the whole project, which I'm going to show you today, in the Major Dom Deepin GitHub, specifically the Moonchain Rackflow Twitter repository. Both of these sites are linked in the description down under the video.